Good morning students. In this video we are going to see 10 practice problems for the upcoming TNPSC Assistant Statistical Investigator exam. இப்போ நம்ம யூனிட் 10ல இருக்கோம். Part 66. Question number 1. The full form of SPSS is. So four options are given. Here the correct answer is option B, Statistical Package for Social Sciences. SPSS is the full form is Statistical Package for Social Sciences. Question number 2. Excel is a dash software. Four options are given. Correct answer is Excel வந்து ஒரு spreadsheet software. Question number 3. SPSS was developed by option A IBM, option B Google, option C TCS, option B none of the above. Here the correct answer is option A. It was developed by IBM. Let us move to the next question. Question number 4. SPSS was used by option A market researchers, option B health researchers, option C education researchers, option D all of the above. Here correct answer is option D all of the above. Question number 5. In the data view in the SPSS data editor, each row represents. So four options are given. Here the correct option is a case. ஸோ ஒரு டேட்டா வியூங்கிற எஸ்பிஎஸ்எஸில் ஒரு டேட்டா எடிட்டர் இருக்குது. அதில் ஒவ்வொரு ரோவும் எதை ரெப்ரசென்ட் பண்ணும், கேஸ் ரெப்ரசென்ட் பண்ணும், ஒவ்வொரு காலமும் வேரியபிளை ரெப்ரசென்ட் பண்ணும். Question number 6. In the data view in the SPSS data editor, each column represents. ஸோ ஒவ்வொரு காலத்தையும் எதை ரெப்ரசென்ட் பண்ணுது, வேரியபிளை ரெப்ரசென்ட் பண்ணுது. Let us go to the next question. Question number 7. A formula in the spreadsheet should always start with. ஸோ ஸ்ப்ரெட்ஷீட்டில் ஒவ்வொரு ஃபார்முலாவும் எதில் ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகுது, ஈக்குவல் சைனில் ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகுது. Question number 7. Correct answer is option E. Question number 8. The function used in Excel to find the aggregate values from a selection of columns or rows from the selected ranges. The correct answer is sum. Option E. Question number 9. The extension given to SPSS data file is 4 option 7. Okay, the correct answer is SAV. The extension given to SPSS data file is SAV. Last question of this video, question number 10. Excel is a program that is used to prepare option A slide presentation, option B spreadsheet, option C test document, option D database. Here the correct answer is option B spreadsheet. So in this video we have seen 10 practice questions from the unit number 10. If you like this video, share it with your friends. Thank you students.